Good morning student. Yesterday we have learnt about barter system. Now today we are going to learn more about economic system and its types. We understand from economics how to use time, money, labor and land effectively. How to satisfy the infinite needs of the people using various resources in the study matter of economics. According to Leonard Robbins, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scare which have alternative uses. Now today we are going to learn about economic system and its type. We already know that the people always busy by doing different types of activities like economic activities and non-economic activities. Any economic activities which is related with money, them we call economic activities. For example, by doing economic activities, people earn their bread and butter and satisfy their unlimited requirements. It means economy is a system of all economic activities of a given geographical area, which means in a particular area whatever economic activities we approach, that is related with economy. Now there are three types of economy. First is a socialistic economy, that is the another name also market economy, and capitalistic economy, it is also we call central planned economy, and third mixed economy. Now we will start with socialistic economy. Economic activities are controlled by government. In this economy, economic activities are controlled by government. Everything is controlled by government in our country. What is motive of this economy? It is for the welfare of the people. For example, land, labor, etc. What to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, who is the king of this economy is government. For example, China, North Korea, Russia. Now the secondary is a capitalistic economy. Here the producer is a decision maker. All the factors of production are owned by private individuals. All economic activities are controlled by market. For example, America and China and many more countries. They are capital. Now thirdly, the mixed economy. In mixed economy, whatever the features of both capitalistic and socialistic economy we approach togetherly. Both the sector like private and government sector, we approach them together. Like economy in village, people are busy in their small work like agriculture, farming, and making some mats, cotton harvesting projects, etc. These all things are factors which is affecting on economy: population, geographical area, natural resources, occupation, political sovereignty. Globalization of economy. What is the meaning of globalization? The recent economic policies are taking the economy towards globalization. Globalization means building a world economy. World economy is a borderless economy in which natural resources, profit, services, capital, labor and technology flow freely across the border of the country. Globalization means aligning the country's economy with the world economy. There is a free trade and all restrictions on investments are set aside. These are the functions of the economy. Every country has different economy. Nevertheless, the main functions of economy are similarly. Some of the main functions of the economy are as follows. First is deciding the product and quantity and its production. Secondly, minimize the production cost as much as possible. Thirdly, distribution of nation income according to the social and economic justice. Fourthly, making appropriate provision for the economic needs of a future. Fifthly, deciding for whom the goods will be produced. Thus, an economy strives to create a balance between limited resources and unlimited needs. This is all end of the chapter. Now I am providing you the sheets and you have to go through all the exercises by learning thoroughly with these chapters all the points. Thank you.